In this tutorial, we will learn how to configure Git on your system by setting up your Git identity, including your name and email address. This is a crucial step to identify your commits in Git. Prerequisites. Before you begin, make sure you have Git installed on your computer. If it's not installed, please refer to our tutorial on Git installation for your specific operating system. Step 1 is to open your terminal. If you're using Mac OS or Linux, open your terminal. On Windows, you can use Git Bash, which provides a Unix-like command line. Before setting your Git identity, it's a good practice to check if any configuration is already in place. Use the commands git config --global -get user.name and git config --global -get user.email to check your current Git configuration. If you see your name and email, it means you've already configured your Git identity. You can skip to the conclusion. If you see nothing, it means your Git identity is not configured, and you should proceed with the next steps. Step 3 is to set your name. To set your name in Git, use the git config command with the user.name configuration key. Git config --global user.name your name. Step 4 is to set your email. To set your email address in Git, use the git config command with the user.email configuration key. Git config --global user.email your email. Step 5 is to verify your configuration. To verify that your Git identity has been configured correctly, rerun the commands git config --global -get user.name and git. This information is essential as it will be associated with your Git commits, allowing collaborators and Git history to identify your contributions. And git config --global -get user.email. You should now see your name and email displayed on the screen. Congratulations! You've successfully configured your Git identity by setting up your name and email. With your Git identity in place, you're ready to start using Git for version control and collaboration in your software development projects. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.